Hey there everyone, this is Kelly and welcome back to day 3 of sneak peeks for our Falloween release. Make sure you check out the description box below for all the details. Now let's start today with the Falloween freebie die set. As with all of our freebies, these are free while supplies last with purchases of $100 or more. So we're going to take a close-up look at exactly what you're getting in this freebie die set. There are 2 tag dies that you can either layer together or use on their own. And then there's also a cute little layering cone flower. So there are the petals, there is the center of the cone flower, and then there's the little topper petal piece. There's also a stem, leaf, and a little bow that you can add on. Now let's jump into our paper pads, gems, pearls, and wax melts. So we have 2 different paper pads in this release, one that leans way more fall and then one that is a cute little Halloween. So first let's look at fall is in the air. I'm in love with all of these beautiful fall florals, all the rich, beautiful fall colors. So we've got lots of florals as I mentioned. We have fall leaves. There are different colors of plaids. I love sunflowers. Sunflowers are my favorite flower, so I was so excited to see sunflowers. We have fall forests and trees. If I keep flipping here, lots of beautiful florals, whether you like pinks and oranges, creams. I love the rich greens. I love the more basic backgrounds that you can use for any fall card. There are hexagons, little yellow with little white polka dots. I love this green, yellow, and cream floral. We have some nice leafy backgrounds, and then we move into pumpkins. I just love this pumpkin patch design. There's one in a teal and one in like a dark, dark navy. Again, we've got lots of great basics on the back sides. And then I love at the end of this paper pad, there are 2 sheets that have sentiment strips on these. So you can clip these apart and use those for the sentiments on your cards. Next are the coordinating gems and pearls that go with this paper pad. So first is the fall is in the air pearl stickers. So these are pearls, they have adhesives on the back and they will perfectly match that paper pad. Then we have the fall is in the air gem stickers. Now these are faceted, so they have the little glimmering facets on the top, again have adhesives underneath. We have the wax melts that perfectly match the paper pad. So we have the dark navy, the lighter teal, the rich reds and yellows and greens, all beautiful. And then we have our 3D sunflower wax stamper. So I have stamped this out or melted the wax and stamped it into the yellow wax, added a dark center just with a marker, some little gold dots, and I love the way that these 3D sunflowers turn out. Perfect to add as an addition to your cards or the flaps on your envelopes. Next we have the Sweet and Spooky paper pad. So these are bright, fun colors. We have pumpkins, and again we have that little cross hatch kind of gingham check plaid. We have bats and pumpkins. We have great backgrounds such as this orange here, perfect for the basics on your cards. There are gingham. There are bright fun colors like purples and pinks, black, green. I just love all these. There's a fun little skull design. I love this pink and white plaid. You can use that all year round. There are the fun colors in polka dots. And then we move into lots of deep, rich purples. There are spider webs, stripes, polka dots, and then we move into teal. There's an argyle. We have more fun polka dots. And then we move into a really rich turquoise. We keep going here and we've got black with little jack-o'-lantern faces, black and white plaid or check. We have little moons and bats. We have chevron stripe, and then this one is all done. Now let's take a look at the little things that go along with this paper pad. So we have our pearl stickers, called Sweet and Spooky. Again, the colors are going to perfectly match. And then we have the Sweet and Spooky gem stickers that are the faceted sparkly gems. Here's a look at our Sweet and Spooky wax melts. So again, these wax melts are designed to perfectly match the paper in the Sweet and Spooky paper pad. You can see the orange and the black and the pink and the turquoise. Perfect colors. And then to go along with our wax melts, we have the 3D jack-o'-lantern. I love this one. Of course, I had to melt orange wax and press him in, but you can see all the great detail in this wax melt. Perfect for the front of your Halloween cards or to add to those envelopes. Next, let's take a look at some limited time little confetti mixes. So we have Halloween candy, we've got some green sprinkles that are called spooky sprinkles. We have the bit of sunshine sequin mix. There is also a midnight hour sequin mix with purples and rich oranges. There is the fall leaves, they're large shimmery leaves. There is also the autumn sky, very rich blues in that one. There is the perfect magic, which has sequins and then little confetti mixes out of clay. Next is the Bat-tastic, and this has cute little bats and fun colors. There is Midnight, so all black, different sizes of little circles. We have Black Opal, which is a shimmery black. You can see the iridescence on those. Next, I have the Candy Corn, which looks just like candy corn. Next is Chrysanthemum, very rich, beautiful colors in that one as well. We have Moonlight, which are faceted, flat-backed gems that you can glue on anywhere. And then we have the Marvelous Sequin Mix. Now these are in limited supply, so I just want to let you know that, but we have lots of beautiful fall and Halloween mixes. I hope you've enjoyed day 3 of our Falloween release. Make sure you check out the description box below for all the details. This release will be available after our release party on August the 23rd.